Friends, one of the most beautiful words in English dictionary is generosity. You must have heard this word so many times in everyday life. I appreciate your generosity. You are a very generous person. She is very generous. This is an act of generosity, and so on. What is generosity, by the way? Generosity is defined selflessly adding value to others. Or we can say in other way, that helping others in such a way that benefit others without expecting something in return. When we hear this word, probably the first thing comes to your mind that it is something related to financial help. But the reality is not like that. You can be generous in other 100 ways. For example, with your words, with your advice, with your resources, with your quality time, and so on. It means that the generosity can be applied and implemented and practiced in all the areas of your life. Friends, being generous has a ripple effect. When you are generous to a person, you are not only showing the act of generosity, but at the same time, you are inspiring someone to be generous as well. For example, when you are showing the act of generosity to somebody, he gets inspired to be generous like you. So it means that you are contributing to develop the society by default in terms of creating and inspiring people to be generous as like you. As for the generosity's effect on your personality, when you are generous and showing the act of generosity to somebody, you feel better. When you feel better, you can focus more, produce more, and by default, you are more successful in your life. Here are some simple ways to be generous. Give people friendly compliments regularly. Give a token of appreciation. Give tips to waiters and delivery men. Send a thoughtful message to your loved ones, your neighbors, your co-workers, etc. Bless those who are in financial need if you can afford that. If somebody needs your advice, allocate your quality time to help him, and so on. So being generous is an amazing quality of your personality. Try to apply this and check the results. Hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching.